everybody, welcome to #BeYoutify, where we want to learn a little bit about what it takes to be you. And tonight, again, I'm talking about what it takes to be me, because that's who I know best. And then I do the interviews too, you know, you guys, I love doing that. But this is how I braid my hair so that I can get those like messy beach waves. I think that I don't know. Well, either way, I love the look. If you like the look, this is how I get it. So I brush. Depending on how high I want my waves, I braid. I can do like 2 cornrows this way or 2 this way. I think it's easier for people if once I get turned around, I'll show you. I'll demonstrate a braid on braiding my own hair. But this is how I would do it for people who struggle with some braiding. So I finger through, and again, if you know how to braid, this will be easy. If you need to learn how to braid, I'll do some tutorials on that. But this one is just on how to get the beach waves. And there we go. Pippi Longstocking coming into your world. Yeah, so this is what I do. And tomorrow, I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Thanks for watching, guys. Good night. Enhance the beauty that exists within. Oh, yeah. Good morning, guys. This is what my hair looks like. See, my 2 braids are still popping. Just slept on them. I didn't wrap it up or anything. Good morning. How's everybody today? I am great. I got up this morning. I took my fiance. Oh no, that's a lie. Let me see. Good morning, guys. Oh, I feel great today. I got dressed, took my son to school, got my fiance off to work, and my daughter went off to school. And now it's time to show you guys what my hair's gonna look like. Peace and quiet. Look at this. Yep. So again, I braided it up last night. I just slept on it just like this. I didn't wrap it up. No satin bonnet. No nothing. I've been doing this for months now. So I mean, it works. I love my weaving luxury. Like, for real. I just gotta say that. So, ooh, you see my crinkles? They're so pretty. Oh, look at me. And then I just finger through it. And that's how I get that look. Oh. And I didn't wrap this up. That's it. I didn't put anything in it. Nope. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy. Let's unwrap this side. Oh, yeah. Now you know how to get Rayshone Oliver curls. Hashtag beautify. This is how I be me. Let me know how you be you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.